Come on, let me show you the easiest marbling resin technique there is. Welcome to Grandma Kathy's Art Venture. Let's make some thinkers. Let's go. So today I am making 4 sets of these thinker molds. They are so cool. I got them off of Amazon. And I'm going to mix up some Let's Resin Ocean White. Show you how much I put in this. This is 8 ounces, 1:1 resin, epoxy resin. And we will just mix that up. It's kind of like a milky consistency color. You can still kind of see the stick through it. Alright, so now we're going to use black alcohol ink, and we're just going to put some drops down into the mold and then pour the white on top. And that's what I'm saying. It's such a simple marbling technique. Alright, let's see what we got. Which one?
Everyone I know and love are all in town, but I've had enough. I'm looking at the snow. I wish that I could go away this Christmas. My family, they don't want me to go away, but I chose to leave. I'm staring at the tree. It says that I should be away this Christmas. And what am I to do if I can't be with you, to sit and laugh with
I'm calling
everyone
this
we
one
love?
caramel cream for my friend Patty.
I
Let's
hate the
pour with
snow,
Patty.
so I chose to run and sit there in the sand beneath the sun. Everyone I know and love, they're at my house, and I've had enough. I'm looking at the snow. I wish that I could go away this Christmas. What am I to do if I'm still feeling blue? Well, everyone is there on Christmas Eve. I'll sip my eggnog sitting on a beach.
This time I'm
And I won't
using
have to clean up when they
Cerulean
leave.
Violet's resin.
My family, they don't want me to go away, but I had to leave. I'm staring at the tree. It says that I should be away this Christmas. You know I miss you so, but I had to go away this Christmas.
Boy, I sure wish I could go lay on the beach and drink eggnog for Christmas. Oh, that would be a blessing because I don't even spend Christmas Eve or Christmas Day with my family. We always do it beforehand. So these are my 4 sets of thinkers. Tell me what you think. Which one do you like best? I can't decide. I love them all. Up first was August with August Acrylic Art, and then Tanya with Creations with Tanya, and then of course myself. So you have to let me know what you think and which ones you like best. The caramel cream, the aqua, kind of an aqua looking one, the just black and white marble one, or the Lagoon with the black, barely noticeable, but it is noticeable on a close-up. I love them all. So you have to admit this was like the simplest marbling technique there is, and every one of them turned out amazing. So you've got to give this one a try because it's so simple and your results end up being gorgeous. All right, thanks again, everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Love you all. Happy Monday.